Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of Sarang by Sumadhura Group, which is located right here in Duddabannahalli, Whitefield East, Bangalore. And today in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities internal and external both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, about the current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can see, I am standing in front of the marketing office and this is the marketing office of your project. And now the land parcel is just opposite to your marketing office, opposite to the road. So this is the land parcel where the construction work is in progress and the main entrance of the project will be right over here. So this is the main entrance. From here, you can enter and exit from your project. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So here's your land parcel starting from the entrance, and this project is spread across 4.65 acres of land parcel with total 3 towers, 2 basement ground plus 22 floors, having exclusive 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. And now about the location part. So the project is located right here in Duddabannahalli in Whitefield East, Bangalore. So this is the main road and this road will take you towards Whitefield Hoskote Road in just few meters. And the opposite side road will connect you towards Chikkabannapalli. And now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So right now I'm standing on the entrance of the marketing office. So you can connect to Decathlon Old Madras Road in just 3 kilometers. Bangalore-Tirupati Highway is 4.4 kilometers away. And Orion Uptown Mall is 4.5 kilometers from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, with vitrified finishing flooring, luxury finishing, with SS sink, CCTVs and many more. Now let's discuss the external amenities, and the project provides you world-class amenities like of the grand clubhouse, swimming pool, here's your pets park, then comes the kids play zone, garden area, half basketball court, cricket pitch and many more amenities. And now let's discuss about the parking provision, and this project provides you one type of car parking facility, that is the basement level car parking.
Now let's discuss the master plan. This is the master plan of Sarang by Sumadhura. As you can see in the image, the land parcel is divided into 2 phases. Phase 1 consists of 2 towers as Tower A and Tower B. Phase 2 consists of 1 tower, that is Tower C. Now let's discuss some of the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Tower C with 6 flats per floor, 3 passenger lift, 1 fire lift, 2 staircases. Here there are 3 flats of 3 BHK and 3 flats of 2 BHK plus study room premium residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 1225 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1655 square feet and 2010 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 2580 square feet super built up area.
Now let's discuss about the current construction status of the project. So here's the Tower A where you can have a look that the finishing is in progress for Tower A. Here's the clubhouse under construction. Tower B where almost the structure is ready and finishing is in progress. Now about the Tower C. So the Tower C, 25% work is completed for now. And here comes the main entrance. Now let's discuss about the position part of the project. So for this project, Tower A and Tower B, they are handling this tower by December 2026. And for Tower C, they are handling this tower by June 2027. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of Sarang by Somadura Group, which is located in Doddapanahalli, Whitefield East, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.